What we do is very similar to what's been done since the industrialization. We just do it in a different way.
We really are on the bleeding edge of manufacturing right now. And the solutions and the products that we provide are really world-class.
We don't necessarily have a CMM room for metrology. We use 3D scanning.
It's not going to change manufacturing, but there are these little niche areas that additive just fits in so perfectly.
When you look at the entire process holistically like we do, you end up coming up with solutions that really fit into exactly what the customer's trying to do.
We work with some of the best of the best. We have 3 strategic partnerships. One is with the Siemens Group, the other is with Mark Forged, and we partner with Zeiss to do all of our verifications. We're able to really leverage what they have to offer and make these phenomenal additively manufactured products.
We refer to our new business model as the wheel. That kind of categorizes us and gives us a terrific graphical representation of all that we do here. It's a wheel because it can go any direction and every phase feeds off of one another.
To be a solution provider, you have to come in as a consultant and truly understand what your customers are up against.
We had a customer come to us with an issue with a probe unit. This probe would check a weld. We said, why don't you let our engineering team take a look at it and see if we can come up with a solution. We said, well, the problem isn't the probe, the problem is the fact that the wire is breaking due to repeated use.
So we used our 3D scanning technology to scan the probe as it was manufactured. We brought it into the Siemens software solution where we can model a strain relief that captures the head of the probe and the cable, and then manufacture that in-house with our 3D printers, and the customer loves the solution.
The probes were at a price point of $7,000 a probe. Our produced manufactured strain relief that they simply put around the probe comes in at a whopping $20 a piece.
At every level of our organization, we have people that are just not surprisingly smart, just plain wicked smart. They surprise me day in and day out with how intelligent they are and how creative they are, and you just gotta love that, right?
I think every day we have a new challenge, but to see this team pull themselves together and go after a problem is certainly gratifying for me.
I think what I enjoy the most about coming to work every day is the people and the gratification of what it is that we're doing. Here we innovate, here we push the envelope. Every day is exciting, it's something new. It's something that perhaps didn't exist prior to that day when our team got together and we came up with that new solution.
Now that we're a woman-owned business with Yvonne at the helm, I think we're poised for some really fantastic growth.
I want to make sure that everyone feels like they have the opportunity to have an input. They have the opportunity to make a difference. And if everyone's doing what they can do to make a difference, then we as an organization are going to make a difference. I'm proud of what we're doing. I want everyone else to be proud of what they're doing as well.